A moderate magnitude 4.0 earthquake occurred in the South Pacific Ocean near the coast of Region de Arica y Parinacota, Chile, in the early afternoon of Sunday, May 25, 2025 at 3:06 p.m. local time. America, Santiago GMT-4. The quake had a very shallow depth of 13 kilometers, 8 miles, and was reported felt by some people near the epicenter. First to report, volcano discovery after 3 minutes. The earthquake occurred 7 days after a magnitude 4.2 earthquake had hit on Sunday, May 18, 2025, at 6:58 p.m. GMT-5 local time, in 106 kilometers, 66 miles, distance to the northwest. Data source from volcano discovery. Did you feel it? Let us pray. May God protect everyone. Amen.